4 of the Green Operations Notebook, and we're still looking at multiplication basics, and we're going to use some models and write an equation for some situations. So we have to write our own equation this time instead of dragging. So Shirley purchased 3 packages of muffins. Each package contained 4 muffins. How many muffins did Shirley purchase? So we've got some models to choose from over here. We don't need to draw a picture, but we could if we didn't have a model. We would need 3 packages or 3 groups with 4 muffins in each group. So right here, we have 3 groups with 4 in each group. Down here, we have 2 groups with 6 in each group. So this is our model. 3 packages, 4 muffins per package. That matches our model. And then we need to write a number sentence. So since this is 3 groups of 4, we can write it 3 times 4. And I used an X for my times symbol, so when you're typing, you can use the X on your keyboard to show times. Sometimes another button that we use to show times, and you'll see this in ScootPad sometimes, is the asterisk or the star, and you can type the star asterisk by typing Shift 8. So it would look like this: 3 Shift 8 4. That also means times. So instead of using the letter X, you could always use this asterisk to show times if you want to. Okay, let's look at the next one. Oops, there's 2 more. Let's look at one at a time. Dan has 6 blocks, and Courtney has 2 times as many blocks as Dan. How many blocks does Courtney have? Dan has 6 blocks, and Courtney has 2 times as many. So this one is framed a little bit differently. But if we look at our models over here, we could also draw this picture. Dan has 6 blocks, so we draw 6 squares. Courtney has 2 times as many, so that's 2 times 6. That's how many Courtney has. So she has 2 groups of 6, while Dan only has 1. So that's our model, 2 groups of 6. And our equation would be 2 times 6. And we could also write it with a star, 2 times 6, like that. 2 groups of 6. And both of these have the same answer. 3 groups of 4 is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And 2 groups of 6 is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. One more. Now look at this. They gave us a model, and we have to write the equation and the problem. So let's see what the model is. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups, and each group has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in it. So 5 groups of 7. Our number sentence or our equation will be 5 times 7, or 5 times 7, like that. If we counted them all up, or count by 5 7 times, we will find out that this is 35 x's altogether. 35 x's. But the question asks, or the blank, we need to make up a situation for it. A situation that has 5 groups of 7. So you can think of your own situation. I'm going to write one myself, but you can write your own. Sarah has 3 candy bar, not 3, where did I get 3? Sarah has 5 candy bars. Each candy bar has 7 sections. How many sections are there altogether? So if you imagine each of these is a candy bar, and each of the X's is one of the sections of the candy bar. How many sections would there be altogether? That's the problem that I made up. You can make a different one if you like, but make sure that you put a problem in there that fits.